In this video, I'll be showing how to download and install WIRESHARK onto your computer. So WIRESHARK is an open source network analysis tool that captures packets and then presents the details of those packets in real time. And WIRESHARK can be downloaded and installed in just a few simple steps. So you'll just go to your internet browser and type in wireshark.org. And then click on download and select your operating system. And give it just a few moments. And then once it's been downloaded, you'll go ahead and open it and go through the installation wizard. And go ahead and agree to the license agreement. Now on this page, you have the option of making WIRESHARK a desktop icon for easy access. And then on the next page, you can designate a folder for WIRESHARK. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a folder. And then you'll want to make sure that NPCap is installed for network access and filtering. And go ahead and install. And once that's done, you'll just go to your designated folder. And then once you see this page here, you will know that WIRESHARK is up and running. For more tips on WIRESHARK, visit wireshark.org. Thanks for watching.